Hello, welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your touchscreen not working on your MSI laptop. So the most probable cause of the issue is just having the touchpad toggled off by the function button. In my case, the F4. It has the icon of the touchpad, and when I press it, the touchpad doesn't work, and this will be the most probable cause of the issue. And if you want to find it through the settings, you can also do that. And as you can see, if I press the F4 button, it doesn't change. But you can also adjust this setting here in the settings. You don't have to press the FN button to enable or disable it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.